Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can delete system data on your iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to clear system data or delete system storage on your iPhone. So in this guide video, I will simply show you how you can clear all of your storage on your iPhone, as well as how you can start your iPhone from the very beginning as a start fresh. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I'll basically show you how you can factory or erase all of the data and contents on your iPhone, and how you can back them up to your iCloud so that you don't lose any type of important data. The very first thing we're going to do is simply start by launching the settings app on our iPhone. So go ahead and simply open the settings app. Once you open the settings app, here you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You'll be able to scroll down a little bit until you get to the option called General. So right over here, you can see this option called General. All you have to do is simply tap on the General option. As soon as you tap on General, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. But over here, we want to scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you find this option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. So what you have to do is simply tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. As you tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, it says prepare for a new iPhone. So what you could do is, right at the bottom, you can see two options which says Reset or Erase all content and settings. We don't want to go ahead and tap on Reset, since that is only the option to reset all of the settings, such as your network settings, your location settings, and so on. But since we are learning how we can clear our system data itself, we're going to simply tap on Erase all content and settings. As soon as you do that, you can see it says me to erase this iPhone. So what you could do is, you can go ahead and back up all of the data, such as your apps, your Apple IDs, your Find My, and so on. And you could go ahead and tap on the continue button and then simply enter the passcode for your iPhone. Once you enter the passcode, you can see it says uploading data to iCloud. Now what you could do is you could also skip this if you want. If you want to skip backup, right over here you can skip the backup if you don't care about the data and you want to start everything from fresh. If you've already backed it up before, that is not an issue at all, but you could go ahead and simply tap on skip backup over here. And in order to successfully reset our iPhone, you have to simply enter your Apple ID password on this box. Let's say, for example, once you enter your Apple ID password, in order to successfully clear our system data, on the very top right hand side you can see this turn off button. So make sure to enter the correct Apple ID password and then tap on the turn off button, and it will take some time to reboot your iPhone and begin the clearing process. And this is how you could very easily clear system data or storage on iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.